Hello dear friends, welcome to Mega's tutorial Ilkal. In today's video we are going to solve the next questions of 2012 PM method question paper, that is from question number 29. Please like the video. 29. Yesterday we have solved question number 28 up to question number 28. Now let us solve the 29th one. A star rotates in a circle of radius 10 raised to 8 km at an angular speed of 10 raised to minus 6 radians per second. If its radius collapses to 10 raised to 6 km, its new angular speed is. Okay, let us solve this one. So we are going to use the formula I1 omega 1 is equal to I2 omega 2, where we are going to obtain the value of omega 2 by taking the ratio of R1 R2 and omega 1, that is 10 raised to minus 2 radians per second. For question number 29, we are getting the answer as 10 raised to minus 2 radians per second. It is nothing but the 0.01 radian per second. The correct answer is option number 1 here. In Young's double slit experiment, the ratio of maximum to minimum intensities in an interference pattern is 25:1. The ratio of their amplitudes of the two waves. The ratio we have to find here. This is how we are going to solve the ratio. It's a bit theoretical one. You just take down the screenshot and later you can write it down. Finally, we are getting the value of their ratios. It is 3:2. Sir, for this one is 3:2. That is option number 2 will be the correct answer here. So whoever is watching the video, ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು 99% ಜನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ದೇ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. ನಾವು ಡೈಲಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬರುವಂಥ hstr ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಗೆ ಇದು ತುಂಬ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಕಂಟೆಂಟು, ವಿಡಿಯೋದ ಕಂಟೆಂಟು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. That is 31. We are having which of the following is a dextrorotatory substance. So dextrorotatory substance ಮತ್ತು levorotatory substance ಅಂತ ಎರಡು substances ಬರ್ತಾವು. So dextrorotatory ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ the substances which rotate the plane polarized light in the right side direction, that is in the right side. Andre clockwise, which is facing the incoming radiation. So out of these four options, the correct answer for dextrorotatory substance is the cane sugar. Cane sugar will be the dextrorotatory substance. Question number 32. An electron moving relativistically has its mass equal to 2 times the rest mass. Its speed is, we have to calculate the value of v here. Speed ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ v ಇಂದ ಡಿನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So its mass is equal to 2 times the rest mass ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. That is mass m will be equal to rest mass is denoted by the letter m naught. M is equal to 2 times the m naught. Then we have to calculate the value of speed, that is v value here. So for this one we are going to use the expression given from special theory of relativity, that is m is equal to m naught divided by root of 1 minus v square divided by c square, where the value of this 1 divided by root of 1 divided by v square minus c square, it is equal to half. Here we are given that the mass of an electron would be double of its rest mass. When we solve that one, we will get the value of root of 1 minus v square divided by c square. This is equal to 1 by 4. Or when we solve it, we will get the value of v square is equal to 3c square divided by 4, or v is equal to root 3 divided by 2 into c, which is nothing but given in option number 2. That is second one, root 3 divided by 2c. Number 33. For a transistor amplifier in common emitter configuration for load impedance of 1 kilo ohm, HFE is equal to 50 and HOE is equal to 25 microampere per volt. Then the current gain value ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ AI ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So to calculate AI value, we are going to use the formula AI is equal to minus HFE divided by 1 plus HOE into RL, and we are going to get the value of AI in negative with a negative sign, that is 48.7. So the correct answer for this one is 48.78. We'll get. Next, question number 34. A proton and an alpha particle are subjected to same potential difference V. Their de Broglie wavelengths lambda p and lambda alpha will be in the ratio. So here we are going to get the ratio lambda alpha by lambda p is equal to 2 root 2 divided by 1. But in the options we are not going given 2 root 2 is to 1. We are given the third option, that is root 2 is to 1 here. So root 2 is to 1 will be the right answer for this one. Next one, a logic circuit whose output will be in logic 0 state only when all the inputs are in logic 1 state is called as Nand Gate. This is taken from the logic gate chapter. So it's a direct question. Number 34, we have stopped it to the half here. There you'll get 2 root 2 divided by 2. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲೇ, ಅದಷ್ಟು ವೈಪೌಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ 2 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಉಳಿಯುವಂಥದ್ದು 2 is to 1, root 2 is to 1, that is option number 3 will be the correct answer for the 34th one. Next one, question number 36. The phase difference between the electric and magnetic vectors E and B of an electromagnetic wave in free space is equal to 0. That is option number 2 will be the right answer here.